This 2018 Forest River Salem Hemisphere GLX 300BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, 17815 and is offered for sale by Susquehanna RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.